Hey everyone, if you work with electricity and want accurate readings without second-guessing your tools, you are in the right place. Today on Best Product, we are diving into one of the best digital multimeters for serious measurements, a powerful and precise digital multimeter built for real results. Let's get started. Meet the Unity UT61B Plus digital multimeter. This model is part of the well-known UT61 Plus series, and it is built for people who need reliable and detailed electrical measurements. Whether you are checking circuits at home or handling more advanced electrical work, the Unit UT61B Plus digital multimeter is designed to give you confidence every time you use it. One of the biggest strengths of the Unit UT61B Plus is its True RMS measurement. This is very important when you are working with AC signals. True RMS allows the meter to measure both AC and DC signals accurately, even when the waveform is not perfect. That means the numbers you see on the screen are much closer to the real value, which helps you make better decisions and avoid costly mistakes. The display is another highlight. With high display counts of 6,000 and 22,000, you get very detailed and precise readings. Higher display counts mean the meter can show smaller changes in values. This is especially useful when you are testing sensitive electronics or trying to spot small variations in voltage or current. Speaking of voltage, the Unit UT61B Plus can measure up to 1,000 volts. That makes it suitable for a wide range of tasks, from household outlets to more demanding professional environments. It gives you the flexibility to handle both simple and complex jobs with one device. Safety is clearly a top priority in the design of this multimeter. The Unit UT61B Plus comes with audible and visible alarms. When you are measuring high voltage, current, or even temperature, the meter warns you with sound and visual signals. This helps reduce the risk of accidents and gives you an extra layer of protection while you work. On top of that, it features input protection. This helps protect the multimeter itself from unexpected electrical surges, so your investment stays safe. For deeper analysis, the Unit UT61B Plus includes max, min, and relative modes. Max and min allow you to capture the highest and lowest readings during a test. This is great for tracking fluctuations. The relative mode helps you compare values by setting a reference point, which makes troubleshooting much easier. The meter also includes a data hold function and a backlight. Data hold lets you freeze the current reading on the screen, which is very helpful when you are working in tight spaces and cannot constantly look at the display. The backlight makes sure you can clearly see the numbers even in low light areas like electrical panels or basements. Another useful feature is non-contact voltage detection. With this function, you can check for the presence of voltage without directly touching exposed wires. It is a safer way to quickly confirm whether a line is live before you start working on it. The Unity UT61B Plus digital multimeter also supports diode and continuity testing. This makes it a solid tool for checking components, verifying connections, and troubleshooting circuits. If there is a break in the circuit, the continuity function will alert you, saving you time and effort. To make things even more advanced, the meter offers USB communication. You can connect it to a computer for data logging and analysis. This is especially useful if you need to record measurements over time or create reports for professional work. It turns the multimeter into more than just a handheld tool. It becomes part of a complete testing setup. In terms of design, the Unity UT61B Plus feels solid and well built. The layout of the buttons and dial is clear and easy to understand. The screen is large and readable, and the overall construction feels durable enough for regular use. It is a practical combination of toughness and smart design. So if you are looking for accuracy, safety, and advanced features in one device, the Unity UT61B Plus digital multimeter is a strong choice. Ready to upgrade your toolkit? Check the price link in the description, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more great videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.